Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove our Bitmoji from Snapchat. Let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app, make sure that you have already logged in. Then tap on your Bitmoji profile icon in top left corner. There you can see a gear icon or setting icon on your top right corner. Tap on it. Then scroll down until you see Bitmoji. Now tap on Bitmoji. There you can see unlink my Bitmoji on bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Snapchat will ask if you really want to remove the Bitmoji. This will remove your avatar too. If you are okay with that, tap on remove. Head back to your profile. And that's it, your Bitmoji has been removed from Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.